C5. I haven't done one of these in a while, but about to lift it up, about to get started. Alright guys, at this point I pretty much was able to move the front bumper a little forward, give me enough space to remove the side fender. I got the driver's side off, now I'm about to do the passenger side. At this moment, I pretty much got the passenger side. I adjusted it, making sure that the door is closing right and opening. Pretty good. Next step is to cut the fenders, and then therefore I can start putting the fenders on after that. Pretty much put everything back together, put the fenders on, just trying to make sure everything aligns, doing the little tweaks. The next step would be putting the bumper back into place. That's the last thing. I got all the wiring done. This side I pretty much got almost ready. But as you can see, the door operates pretty good. Hey guys, we finally got the C5 completed. Let's check out the final product. Looks pretty clean. What y'all think? Let us know. Follow us, comment, share it. Peace out.
Shout out. Appreciate what they did to my car. Anybody need any Lambo doors, make sure you come see. Right over y'all 249.